مرحبا أبزا فيديو زي أدما بزعبا قنقنياتات كنقصر لنا قنقنياتات idioms ما قصلتها مالتي مسقرنو زتولده كنبل كلنا مسقرنو زتولده مالت كاب قدمو نغرام مالتي كاب قدمو نغرام.
A natural troublemaker. Trouble runs in his veins. A troublemaker by nature. Born to stir up trouble. A troublemaker from birth.
مسقرنو زتولده أسنانو حرقيمو كنبل كلنا دما ناي قطع زرء نغاريو حرقانو غليصو ወይ ድማ حرقانو አርእዩ ንመባልዩ በእንግሊሽ ድማ
He clenched his teeth in anger. He ground his teeth with rage. He gritted his teeth in fury. He bit down in anger. He gnawed his teeth in frustration.
አስናኑ حرقيمو اخلي حسوم كنبل كلنا لما انتهي مالتيو اخلي حسوم سئنات اخلي ابجدلي زقتو مالتيو اخلي لكا غزبي لكا نسلدي لكاس صدفدف تبل نمباليو اخلي حسوم.
Food scarcity enslaves. Scarcity makes life tough. Lack of food binds you. Scarcity enslaves and hardens. Food scarcity toughens life.
اغلي حسوم وترو عنيني كنبل كلنا دما دنگرگر بحالي مالتيو وترو عنيني دنگرگر بحالي in English.
He's constantly lost in thought. He's perpetually unclear. He's always mentally clouded. He's frequently dazed. He's consistently out of it.
وترو عنيني قدوس قنئي كنبل كلنا دما نصبق نغر مقنع مالتيو نصبق نغر in English.
Jealousy that motivates. Envy that drives ambition. Jealousy with a positive twist. Envy that inspires growth.
ቅዱስ ቅኒ ስሉም ቆፎ ክንብል ከለና ድማ ኣብ ውሽጡ እኽሊ ዘይብሉ ብደጊኡ ግን ዝተሰለመ ማለት እዩ ትርጉሙ ድማ ትሕዝቶ ዘይብሉ ማለት እዩ ትሕዝቶ ዘይብሉ
Lacking substance. Empty of meaning. Without real content. Devoid of substance. Content free.
ስሉም ቆፎ ትሕዝቶ ዘይብሉ ነገር ውሽጡ ባኮ ዝኾነ ማለት እዩ መከራይ ፀጊበ ክንብል ከለና ድማ ብጣዕሚ ትዒበ ሞኽ ኢለ መከራይ ፀጊበ in English.
I'm exhausted by life. Life has worn me out. I'm drained from everything. I'm weary from living. Life has taken its toll on me.
መከራይ ፀጊበ ንቡር ዘይፈተነ ክንብል ከለና ድማ ዘይተመርዓወ ወይ ድማ ዘይተመርዓወት ማለት እዩ
Never wed. Unmarried. Never took vows. Never in matrimony. Never tied the knot.
ንቡር ዘይፈተነ ንቡር ዘይፈተነት ዘይተመርዓወ ዘይተመርዓወት እንዳሞት አቲኻ አምጻአዮ እንተይሉካ ሰብ ድማ እንዳሞት አቲኻ ወላ ካብ እንዳ ሰይጣን አቲኻ አምጻአዮ ካብ ዝምጻእ በቃ ካብ ዘይ ወላ ካብ ገሃነም ሳት አምጻአዮ ማለት እዩ እንዳሞት አቲኻ አምጻአዮ
Retrieve it, whatever it takes. Bring it back no matter the circumstances. Reclaim it even if it means going through hell. Recover it by any possible means. Take it back against all odds.
እንዳሞት አቲኻ አምጻዮ እንዳሞት አቲኻ አምጻዮ ሃነፍነፍ ኢሉ ክንብል ከለና ድማ ሸብዳዕዳዕ ኢሉ ድሌቱ ምቁጽጻር ሲንዎ ሃነፍነፍ ኢሉ
He's eager to possess it. He's longing to get it. He's anxious to obtain it. He's craving to have it. He's yearning for it.
ሃነፍነፍ ኢሉ መን ቀስመን ኢሉካ መን ቀስመን ኢሉካ መን ግበረለይ ኢሉካ ዝገደደካ ሰብ የለን
You're not being pressured. No one is compelling you. You're under no obligation. No one is making you do it. You're free to choose.
መን ቀስመን ኢሉካ ክብራ ተኸባቢራ ክንብል ከለና ድማ ኩልና ንከባበር ማለት እዩ ዘስማዕ
Mutual respect is essential. We ought to treat each other with respect. Respect for one another is key. We must honor each other's dignity. Respecting one another is important.
ክብራ ተኸባቢራ ክብረተ ውሻ ክንብሎ ከለና ንሰብ ድማ ክብረተ ውሻ ማለት ንገዛእ ርእሱ ክብረት ዘየፍትወሉ ማለት እዩ ንገዛእ ርእሱ ክብረት ዘየፍትወሉ
He disregards others' respect. He doesn't appreciate respect. He undervalues others' respect. He neglects respect from others.
ክብረተ ውሻ ክብረተ ውሻ ቁሪ ተበሊዕና ወይ ድማ ቁሪ ሞይትና ክትብል ከለኻ ድማ ቁሪ ወዲኡና ቁሪ በርቲዑና የስማዕ
The cold is biting us. We're freezing to the bone. The cold is overwhelming. The chill is unbearable. We are being consumed by the cold.
ቁሪ ተበሊዕና ቁሪ ሞይትና ሓዊ ተቃጺልና ክንብል ከለና ድማ ሓሩር በርቲዑና ወይ ድማ ነዲድና ንምባል ይስማዕ
The heat is scorching us. We are roasting in the heat. The heat is unbearable. We are being baked by the sun. The heat is searing us.
ሓዊ ተቃጺልና ህርፋን ሞይቴ ክትብል ከለኻ ድማ ብጣዕሚ ሓሪፈ የስማዕ ብጣዕሚ ሓሪፈ
I'm desperately craving it. I have an intense craving. I'm yearning for it intensely. I'm really longing for it. I'm strongly desiring it.
ህርፋን ሞይቴ ብጣዕሚ ሓሪፈ ብጓሂ ነዲዱ ክንብል ከለና ድማ ብዙሕ ጉህዩ ወይ ኣዝዩ ጉህዩ ንምባል ዘስማዕ ብጓሂ ነዲዱ
He's consumed by sorrow. He's overwhelmed by sadness. He's engulfed in grief. He's tormented by sadness. He's scorched by despair.
ብጓሂ ነዲዱ ከም ወርሒ ደሚቁ ክንብል ከለና ድማ ውልዕ ኢሉ ጸቢቁ የስማዕ
He shines like the moon. He glows like moonlight. He radiates like the moon. He's luminous as the moon. He gleams like the moonlight.
ከም ወርሒ ደሚቁ እሱ ብርሃን ወጋሕታ እዩ ክንብል ከለና ድማ እሱ ብርሃን ወጋሕታ እዩ እሱ ኣዝዩ ጥዑም ሰብ እዩ ንምባል የስማዕ
He's the warmth of the morning light. He shines with the kindness of dawn. He's the gentle light of daybreak. He radiates like the morning sun. He brings the calm of dawn.
እሱ ብርሃን ወጋሕታ እዩ ርዑይ ጠቕሊለ ከይደ ክንብል ከለና ርዑይ ጠቕሊለ ፓክ ገይረ ማለት እዩ ናብ ዘይምለሰሉ ስደት ግዒዘ ማለት እዩ ርዑይ ጠቕሊለ ከይደ ርዑይ ጠቕሊለ ከይደ ርዑኡ ጠቕሊሉ ከይዱ ርዑና ጠቕሊልና ከይድና ርዑይ ጠቕሊለ ከይደ
I relocated permanently. I moved away for good. I settled elsewhere permanently. I left and won't return. I made a permanent move.
ርዑይ ጠቕሊለ ከይደ ፈውሰይ ፈውሲ ዓሻ ክንብል ከለና ድማ ባህላዊ መድሃኒት ማለት እዩ ባህላዊ መድሃኒት
Herbal remedies. Folk medicine. Ancient healing practices. Natural remedies. Indigenous medicine.
ፈውሰይ ፈውሲ ዓሻ ድርኩኺት ገዛና ክንብል ከለና ድማ እንታይ ማለት እዩ ድርኩኺት ገዛና ማለት እዩ ኣፍ ደገ ገዛና የስማዕ ኣፍ ደገ ገዛና
Our home's entrance. The front door of our house. Our house's doorway. The door to our home. Our home's front door.
ጾር ኣውዲቁለይ ጾር ኣውዲቁለይ ክንብል ከለና ድማ ሓላፍነት ኣሰኪሙኒ ጾር ኣውዲቁለይ ሓላፍነት ኣሰኪሙኒ
He placed the responsibility on my shoulders. He laid the burden on me. He made me responsible. He gave me the responsibility to bear.
ጾር ኣውዲቁለይ ኣብ ፈተና ኣትየ ክንብል ከለና ድማ ኣብ ሽግር ኣትየ የስማዕ
I'm engulfed in life's challenges. I'm deep in life's trials. I'm overwhelmed by life's tests. I'm surrounded by life's difficulties. I'm entangled in life's struggles.
ኣብ ፈተና ኣትየ ኣብዘይ ውፃእ ዓጭቀል ኣትየ ክንብል ከለና ድማ ኣብዘይ ውፃእ ዓጭቀል ኣትየ ተማለት እዩ ኣብዘይ ውፃእ ሽግር ኣትየ ኣብዘይ ውፃእ ሽግር ኣትየ
I'm trapped in an unsolvable issue. I'm stuck in an inescapable problem. I'm caught in a problem with no way out. I'm stuck in a situation with no exit.
ኣብዘይ ውፃእ ዓጭቀል ኣትየ ገለጋል ኮይኑ ክንብል ከለና ድማ ገለጋል ኮይኑ ክንዓርቕን ከነጋላግልን ከፊኡና ማለት እዩ ገለጋል ኮይኑ
Wrestled with reconciling them. Battled to make peace. Fought to resolve their differences. Struggled to reconcile them.
ገለጋል ኮይኑ ብዝተረፈ ኣብዚ ወዲእና ኣለና ሰሰናዩ ንዓኻትኩም እዛ ጓለይ ድማ thank you